am Liz, and you know, the wonderful things about my daughter Katie is that she's kind and loving and joyous, and she loves everybody that there is to love, and you love the animals and love.
Yeah, my kitty, she keeps on, wherever I go, she follows me and comes and sit by me.
And she
and
was.
It's fun. And I'm watching Sam and Nia.
You love your Sam and Nia, and you love your cat. How about Millie? Do you love Millie too? We haven't seen that much of that side of her. In fact, the only thing that we see lately is that her obsessive compulsive need to make slime. And we think that she might have a problem with it, and we're reaching out just because she needs some help. So we're doing this intervention for her so that she can get some of the help that she needs. All right, you love your Millie. Oh, look at the kitty cat. They want to fight. No, no, no. Katie, you need to comfort Millie. Go give her some love. You love that pup, huh?
She's my first dog that has never left. All of our dogs have ran away, and our cats have.
Right. And you have a very happy and fun life with a lot of friends, but lately slime has gotten in the way of all these relationships. You know, Katie was a great girl. She grew up and she's had so many things. She's had happiness and joy and people playing with her, and she's had a very happy life. And this slime has just interfered with it. It's taken away from her friendships, from her desire to clean her room, from her playing with her dog and her cat. And all she wants to do now, she wakes up and she wants to make slime. She goes to bed and she wants to make slime. And that's all I hear all day. And this intervention is our last hope to get her some help. And slime is interfering with your normal activities. It used to be something you did for fun. Now it's something you feel like you have to do all the time. Are you ashamed of this?
No.
What was Katie like growing up? Well, she was a happy baby. She had lots of friends and she had people all around, and she was unstoppable. Told this kid she couldn't do it, she would work twice as hard to make sure you were wrong. She was just that kind of person. We missed that side of her, the one, you know, she got a brace and she started a YouTube channel just to be able to encourage and help others. And now it's turned into this whole, I just want to make slime every day. We're just at the breaking point where we need some help.
I heard that you were recording me.
Well, just a little bit.
I don't care. I have an audience. Mostly the cat because she's meowing.
Do you wake up in the morning and feel this need to make slime?
No, I'm not that bad if I have it.
Of course.
The cat's
Is it good still?
Shaving cream makes it like harder.
I think it does. Maybe you should
Well,
not.
and also because this one is running out so bad that's like liquid.
Well, yeah, I know.
It's getting sticky. Ooh, it got better. Whoa.
There you go.
And it got
Kiki.
Kitty. See, she's with my
Hey.
audience.
She is. She's with your audience. Kiki? Hey!
You wanna watch? Well, hold on. It's not.
So what is it like living with someone who is addicted to slime? Wow. You know, it's hard. All they ever want to do is make slime. Makes it hard to do anything else. One minute they're happy and on top of the world because they're making slime. The next minute they're looking for their next fix. And they keep asking, when do I get to make more? When do I get to make more? And it just seems like no matter how much they make, it's never enough.
It makes it very hard on those of us who love her and just want her to be around more. We feel very left out. And she's just not the same since she's been making slime. Move it, Millie. She's just not the same. We miss the person she used to be. You know, the one that would hold us and tell us that she loved us. It seems like all she ever wants to do now is just continue to make slime. And if this intervention doesn't work, I just don't know what we'll do.
Like if you drop it, if it bounces, that's not slime.
So it's not the kind that you like?
This one is.
Oh, you're happy with it?
Yeah.
Good. And sometimes you get a good batch, sometimes you get a bad one, huh?
I am not smelling that.
Right? Sometimes you get a good batch, sometimes you get a bad one.
Yeah. But I
It
must get
happens.
a good one. This one is a lot better.
My bad.
That's all your fault.
Intervention is our last hope. Without this, I don't think she would be able to cope with another day of not making slime.
Just want her to get the help that she needs. That's the only thing that matters.
Come in here. We've all gathered here today to do an intervention.
Yeah.
No, please sit here right next to Kinks.
I don't want to do it, Mom.
Like on every intervention, she's fighting it. Katie, you have a serious problem.
Stop!
Honey, no, I know it's difficult. Honey, we all feel that you have a problem. That slime has taken over your life. Please, come sit with the people that love you. Guys, we're not giving up on her yet. Thank you guys for all coming out. I know that you guys all care about Katie. Oh, she needs to get this help. This may be her last opportunity for help. Katie, it's an intervention. It's about getting you the help that you need.
Stop it! Stop the video! I want to literally cry!
Why?
Good!
Whoa!
Because, Mom, I don't want to do this video, and I don't want to...
Nobody likes help. Katie, you have an addiction. There is help waiting for you.
Stop! Please stop this video! I'm begging you! Please stop!
So, why is making slime so important to you?
Because I have to do it for my friends, and also I can make a slime YouTube channel. I'm gonna do it. But I'm gonna have my own YouTube channel where I'm gonna edit mine and make my own with my own phone, that kind of phone. So
Do you love making slime? If you go a day without making slime, what do you feel like?
need it.
Feel shaky?
Well, not shaky. I lied to you about that. I didn't mean to say it like that.
She just feels uneasy without making slime every day. Do you feel that it is a habit?
I cannot break it.
Do you think that you might need some help?
No, I told you
No.
not to.
Okay, she doesn't need help, guys. It is an addiction that she's happy with, right?
And it's a good one, not a bad one. Like,
Well, it's hard to break addictions, isn't it? Not like a drug one, no. But like a happy
Can
addiction.
we do any? Well, after this one, can we do like?
So, do you think that you're going to get the help that you need?
Mom, I told you not like an adventure.
I know, I'm just asking you. Is there help for somebody who makes slime?
No, stop. I'm starting to get mad.
Oh. Well, I can't control your anger, but
Because you said you want to say like I need help or anything.
I'm asking you, do you think that you need help?
No.
Well, I'm glad. All right. Well, this was a good process, and I feel that we've accomplished a lot. We've recognized the problem. We've identified that there is no help for you.
Stop.
All right, guys. Thank you
Get
for
over
watching.
here.
All right, guys. I totally believe that this intervention was a success, even though it was hard to get her here. And once we did, it was hard for her to admit that she had a problem. When we were able to get some time off the camera, we did admit that she gets the shakes and that she gets very uneasy if she's not making slime every day. So every day it's going to be a new day. We're going to take it one day at a time, but we're rooting the best for her and hoping that she can walk this out and that chronic need to make slime will go away bit by bit. So thank you for watching our slime intervention. Alright guys, so it looks like our intervention was not a success. Joking. She's back to making slime.
Or marshmallows. Or fluffy.
It's like 8 out of 10 people have a relapse. She's relapsing, guys. I love you. Guys, here it is, guys. The final product. The slime master. I think I'm an enabler. You know what they call people who help addicts? They call them enablers. I'm an enabler to you. I'm enabling your habit. But show everybody how it turned out.
It's white marshmallow slime. It's not colorful marshmallow slime. It's regular marshmallow. I did not make it like a real marshmallow.
Did you use the shaving cream?
No.
I just wondered. Is there still some left?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright guys, thank you for watching Katie's Wacky.
Woo!